learn how to do some stairs. Porter's pretty good. You got that really quick, mister. Why did I not think that was going to happen? Well, let's try Bach. Okay, here's Bach. He's going to try his stairs. Good job. No problems here. We're at the top of the stairs. Up, up. Up, up. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Good job. Porter's turn. Here, pop, pop, pop. Porter. Porter. Where you go, Porter? Porter. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yay, you made it. Good job. Okay, Shiraz's turn. She's like, Oh, good job. Good girl. 3 steps now. One. Yay! You thinking about it? Oh, look. Missy went up. We didn't even teach you. Yay! She's a learner on her own.